welding genius at work. And the mechanic on site.
Mechanic.
You hear that?
Mechanic at work. Crazy, man. Crazy.
I thought this life would be easy, a wide open road with the radio on, a full tank of gas, the windows rolled down, singing my favorite song. With a summer breeze rolling through my hair, not a care in the world, and a clear blue sky. Out here having fun, soaking up the sun, speeding toward a happy and carefree life. But sometimes you come to a fork in the road. Sometimes you stop, don't know which way to go, but you gotta keep on driving, chase that horizon, stop all your crying and find a way to a place where it all makes sense. 'Cause where your heart's leading you ain't no accident. Look your worries right in the eyes and say, not this time. This time I'm gonna win. Starting today, you can't stop fate, so go find a way. Go find a way. Walk through fire if you have to, climb every mountain, swim every sea, turn